Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Chapter number 2, that is presentation of the data. There are various means to present the data by using frequency distribution, by using tabulation, and by using diagrams and graphs. In this chapter, this is the last lecture of this chapter, presentation of the data, chapter number 2. Represent the data, following data by using pie diagram. How to draw the pie diagram for the given data, for the given information. Responsibility is given for share capital, reserves, loan and current liabilities, respectively 12 lakh, 8 lakh, 4 lakh, 480,000, and the total amount is 28 lakh 80,000. We have to present the data by using pie diagram. For drawing the pie diagram, we have to convert this data in terms of measurement, that is degree. Means this way we have to draw this pie diagram, and for converting this amount in terms of degree, 12 lakh upon total amount 2880,000 multiplied by 360, because total degree is 360, 90, 90, 90, 90. If you add 4 times 90, then it becomes 360 degree, total degree. Then 8 lakh upon 28 lakh 80,000 into 360. 4 lakh upon 28 80,000 into 360. 4 lakh 80,000 upon 28 80 into 360. Calculation will give you for share capital 150 degree, for reserve 100 degree, for loan 50 degree, and for current liabilities it will be 60 degree. If you add this all, then it becomes 360 degree. Draw this type of diagram. Then by using protractor you have to measure this angle 150 degree. यहाँ पे approximately है, but if you draw in your notebook by using some apparatus, compass box, then it will be accurate form, perfect form. By taking measurement of 150 degree. Draw this type of strip design. Then 100 degree, 150 plus 100, यहाँ पे 100 है, ये ऐसे 100 degree. Then make some different design for reserves. Then this is of the 50 degree. This part is of 50 degree. So separate out this way. This is of 50 degree, and finally separation of this will give you complete pie diagram. This is for share capital, this is for reserve, this is for loan, and this is for current liabilities indicated by the separate signs. See, chapter number 2, presentation of the data, in which tabulation is also important. Diagrams and graphs are also important. Minimum 10 number of the example based on tabulation you must practice from textbook, from our PDF file. Similarly, for diagrams and graphs, bar diagram, adjacent bar diagram, simple divided bar diagram, percentage divided bar diagram, and this is pie diagram. All the diagram as well as picture diagram, you must practice at least 5 number of the example of each type. That is why you can get easily very clear idea. So this is the last part, means this is the last lecture of this chapter. From next chapter on, next lecture onwards, we are going to see the central tendency, in which measurement average, mean, median, mode, quartile, decile, percentile, geometric mean, harmonic mean, etc. So we practice. Here we have completed first two lessons, first two chapters of the subject statistics. So we practice well, practice very well. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you very much.